is pretty. Oh, I saw stuff. Okay, okay. Oh. Yeah, gorgeous. Okay. Wow, this is so pretty. You know what? I was going to make this a non-talking one, but like this Unu poster has thrown me. This is really pretty. Since I'm going to talk, I bought this album while I was waiting for butter to come back into stock in New Zealand. So I don't have any Astro albums and I wanted to buy Astro, and I'm just so new to K-pop this year. I saw this and I wanted to get it. And obviously, because I'm still new, I'm still learning everyone's names, but of course I know Unu, and my other bias is also Moonbin. Is that his name? Yes, Binbin. Moonbin. Okay. So I don't know what you're supposed to get in this album, but you know what? I'm new and I'm loving it. And this is obviously the CD. And these are the things, the two photo cards I almost saw last time. Wow, it's really dark in here. Can I? Is that better? Oh yeah, the light's here. I should sit like this, eh? Is that better? Red chair. Is this better? So obviously this is the CD. I listened to this album the other day because I thought I should listen to it before I unboxed it. And this album is really good CD. Gorgeous blue CD, obviously. I like how it comes in this little cardboard thingy-mabobby. CD holder. I can't believe I got it. I don't know, is this lucky draw? I have to, you know, after I finish filming this video, I'm gonna go watch a whole bunch of unboxings of this, because, you know, as I said, I'm so new, I don't know how things work. Okay, CD, go here, here, here. These are the photo cards. Pop them here for now. What's this? Oh, the gate will be opened only for Aroha. I love that. Also, being from New Zealand, the fan name for Astro being Aroha is perfect. I love it. These are cool. It's like got this book thingy. This is annoying. Got this. It's like serrated edges here. in this lovely photo. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my gosh, these two. Okay, let's see if I can remember. No, I'm not even going to try. I don't want to embarrass myself and get the names wrong. Sanha? Is that right? Rocky? It's like a test. So then MJ and Jinjin. Did I get that right? Oh, these are the lyrics too. Cute. Knock. Here you go. I'm sure you've watched tons of unboxings, but here you go. Knock. And I forgot the English name for this, but I like the second track of this on this album as well. Somebody Like is really good. We Still is really good. Honestly, this whole album is just really good. And I don't know why I'm surprised. But these are cute. Look at that. Gosh. Love it. I have, I don't want to get. Now is the photo book. Okay, we can bend it. It's a nautical theme. Okay. Oh. Oh. Cute. It's like show and tell, like I'm showing you the book, obviously. I haven't seen this either, because I haven't watched any unboxings. Yeah, gorgeous. Cute. Adorable. Is this the most awkward unboxing ever? It might be. Sanha, right? Oh look, they've got that's cool. The numbers at the bottom. You can see that the page numbers. Don't focus on my nails. Yeah, the page number is like in seconds. Like if you're listening to a track on an album, that's cool. This is Jinjin. Is it Jinjin? I get that right. Oh, it is Jinjin. I got it right. There you go. I got it right. Gold, one tick for me. Oh, Anu. Everyone loves you, Anu. Not everyone, but you know, he's the most popular member, isn't he? It's funny, I found out about Astro through Unu, through Master of the House, through Sungi Lee, is that his name? Who was in Little Forest. So that's how I found out about Astro. Obviously via Unu, via, oh, gorgeous, via Master of the House. Gorgeous photo. Senha, right? Oh, this is Rocky. Oh my god, have I? Is that a noob mistake? Why did I think he was Senha? My bad, don't hate me. I love this hair colour. I think it's the hair colour that tripped me up. Ah, gorgeous. Is that real? Is this a real boat in the distance of it? That's in her, yeah. Okay. Oh, this is cute. This is going to be a long video. It's already 14 minutes. Okay. Whatever, Trevor. I'm enjoying myself. Oh, cute. So this is... I got it right. Did you hear me say MJ? Gosh, K-pop is so expensive to buy here in New Zealand. It's like this album cost me $50. I'm not too sure how much it is in other places in the world, but $50 a pop for any K-pop album is expensive, isn't it? This is Senha. Oh, cute. Oops. Okay. Oh, these are cute. And then your credits. This is cute. This ending photo. Gorgeous. Rightio. Now, photo cards. I'm trying not to spoil it for myself. I can't see what it says in the in the viewfinder, but maybe you guys can. Watch this one first. Okay. I honestly cannot see what that says. Is that MJ? That's cute. Is it MJ? Did I get it right? Okay. Let's go to the book for reference. Yes, it is MJ. Cute. Got an MJ photo card. Oh, you might become a bias. And then this is, I don't know whose signature that is because I'm new. Don't, hello. Rocky, is that right? Because wait. Rocky, yes. Got it. Okay, so these are my two photo cards. Cute. MJ. Rocky. that's it for this video then. We got these two.